Tesla's full self-driving system can be enabled on Model 3, Model Y, Model S, and Model X vehicles. First, FSD must be purchased either upfront for $12,000 or via a $199 per month subscription through the Tesla app or website. Once purchased, navigate to Controls, then Autopilot, then Full Self-Driving within the vehicle's touchscreen. You will need to accept Tesla's terms, acknowledging that FSD requires an alert driver and is not fully autonomous. Full activation requires a valid driver's license on file. The system will then prompt you through a calibration process, which may include eye tracking setup for driver monitoring. After activation, FSD can be toggled on or off via the touchscreen or voice commands. Once active, FSD handles acceleration, braking, and steering on highways, city streets, and in parking lots. However, it's crucial to understand that FSD is a supervised system. Drivers over 18 with a valid license are required, and the system monitors driver engagement through steering wheel torque and visual attention. If disengagement is detected, FSD will issue alerts. Remember, FSD is not legally hands-free anywhere and requires at least one hand on the wheel in most jurisdictions. While FSD leverages AI and real-world data to improve, interventions may still be required. Tesla data from 2025 indicates average interventions occur every 5,000 to 10,000 miles. Stay alert and be prepared to take control when necessary.